See, the youth are the ones who are pulled down boundaries.
Yes.
You can't tell when they are seated here who's Ugandan, who's Zambian, who's Tanzanian, and so on. It actually doesn't matter to them, as it should never matter to any one of us. Because you see, the truth of the matter is this. What is our mission? We are on a journey to heaven. And we are headed to our Maker. Are we headed there as Tanzanians or Kenyans or Zambians? Or we are headed there as children of God, and we are all children of God. The tapestry of our languages, our backgrounds, our geography, our sociology, our families, and so on, all that is supposed to come up together and form one big rubric of what the family of God ought to look like. And look at the mosaic and all the colors and all the voices and all the backgrounds and so on represented in this function. I mean, it's so gratifying to be here. Nothing can be more heartwarming. And the youth are showing us the way. This is really how we should be. They are redefining Christianity. They are redefining church leadership. As I said, they are pulling down geographical boundaries. They are redefining human relations. And they're introducing a new society and a new environment and redefining church family as we know it. We're one big church family of God. And so we should all invest in the youth. That's what we should do. We should spend our time on these people.
And if you had a chance to change the health center, you see VOP are pulling funds so that they can support cancer patients. For you, what best could you do in health section?
First of all, prevention, information, the education of our people. The Seventh-day Adventist Church is the best and strongest in terms of health messaging and health living. And then we should intensify that, even through what these efforts are involved here doing. We should put more and more effort in preventive care, preventive education, preventive messaging, and then, of course, health standards and health living, which is the mainstay of our health message as Seventh-day Adventist, number one. And number two, because we are here, and challenges will always be there. When we fall into challenges and when some of us get into the troubles, and the failings that we get into in our health and they get cancer, we do the best we can to provide the best possible care that we can. I mean, it's so gratifying to see the sacrifices that are being made here by people through their singing and their talents. They are coalescing resources to support those who are sick, to help them go through these experiences. That is what Christianity is supposed to be. That's true Christianity. Service, looking out for each other. And that is what Christian family is all about. I mean, nothing could be better than this, I'm telling you the truth. And every one of us, as I said, should do nothing but support this kind of effort. And for those of us who cannot preach like Paul, raise the hands of the prophet. Now that mobilize resources, like I would like to do, I'm going to mobilize my networks, my friends, and people do not know, a few donors and so on. I'll coalesce serious resources to support this foundation.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.